Today's eyeshadow look, I am going to use a red and I'm going to put it all over my eyes. Hi everyone, welcome to Makeup Without Limitations everyone. I want you to know you are special right here on this channel. You have chosen the right channel to come to. I'm using the Didi's Signature eyeshadow palette that I received in my ice cream box. Now I need to take it a little higher, right on the brow bone right here. That's where I want to take it because I have to do the same thing with the other eye because I have hooded eyes. Brow bone. How are you doing today? Let me know in the comments how you are doing. I am doing very good. I have been exercising daily, 7,000 steps every morning for an hour. Some days, I'm telling you, it gets hard. Unless you love exercise, I take too much. That was a lot. You don't wake up and do it every day, but I wake up every morning except Saturdays and Sundays. I don't get on the treadmill, but I do my exercise. And some days your legs get tired, 10 minutes in and your legs is like screaming, I'm tired. And then some days, 45 minutes in, that's when I start feeling tired and I need a little water. I always put my water next to me so I can have it. Same brush. I am going into, there is this color that looks like a grayish brown. It's kind of mixed. I'm gonna take it right here. You see it? I'm putting it in the outer corner. It's a gray. It's gray. It's like a pukish color. I'm putting it in the outer corner. I always go heavy on one side and then I have to fix it, If that happens to you, let me know when you put your makeup. Do you always go heavy on one side and then have to fix the other side? This is like a gray with a little purple, very light lilac in it. Take a look at it on my eyes. Can you see it? Let me know in the comments. I love playing with colors, all colors in all forms. I love playing with them. Now I have that in the outer corner. I am going into this color. It looked like gold, it looked like orange. I'm putting it on my hand, on my finger, and I'm going to go right here like this, just to stay on the lid. Ooh, this is pretty. Is that a multi-chrome? I don't know, but it is gorgeous. I love playing with colors. I show up, I see it, I love it, I play with it. And I am having a ball with this. I have lost, how many pounds have I lost? Oh my God, I used to be 143 and now I'm 130. So if you take 10 out of 40, ooh. I gotta do the math here for my I'm so concentrating on my eyes, I'm not doing the math in my head for my weight. I am 130, so 143. So 3 from 4 is 1. And if you take out the zeros, so I've lost 13 pounds. Right? Ooh, you see this thing? This thing has a shift, doesn't it? Yes, it has a shift. OMG to the gods, this is pretty. Let me show you which one. This one right here, it looks gold, but I think it has a pink and something else. See what it looks like on my eye when you look on here? Wow, this is pretty. My Didi's Signature eyeshadow palette. I use 3 shades in there. This little palette is a gem. This is a gem. I love this little palette. I love this little palette. This is today's eye look. Today's item is you are more aware of the things that are wrong in your life. You are more aware of the things that are incorrect in your life. And until I see you and you see me, make small adjustments to correct the things in your life that is not in balance with your soul. Make small corrections until you get it to where it is correct, to what is wrong in your soul and with your soul. Because there's some things we just know doesn't fit us. It disturbs our spirit. So pay attention to that and make small adjustments to bring it back in balance. I will see you very shortly. Please remember to play a playlist and share this video with someone else. Talk to you soon. Bye.